Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change a birthday under 13. So as you can see right here, let me scroll a little bit down. You're going to see right here, this is my age and I cannot change it, right? And basically, if you are under 13, you're going to see right here into the email, parents' email address, all that. So what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click the settings gear and then go ahead to the help and safety. And then basically you're going to just choose the help center, right? And then basically what you're gonna see right here, you're gonna be able to go to the Roblox account, click on it, and basically scroll a bit down till you find how do I verify my age, right? Let me find it somewhere here. Verify email address, phone number. Scroll a bit down. How do I change my age, right? And here it says under 13, this age cannot, the age setting cannot be changed. Roblox is committed to providing safety and privacy protection for our users. For this reason, and because of the COPPA regulations, users under the age of 13 cannot change their age setting. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.